In this video, we're going to take a look at inserting mathematical notation into WAMAP messages. This can be done any place that you have a text entry box in WAMAP, whether it's sending a message to your instructor through the messages link off to the side, or whether you are in a homework. I'll do it as an example here in the homework. This one's in review mode. It works both in review mode and when the assignment hasn't yet passed its due date. So I'll go to message my instructor about this question. And so if you're explaining to your instructor what you tried on a problem, you can type out regular text. And once you get to the point where you want to insert some mathematical notation, maybe you need fractions or exponents or something even more complicated and you want it to format correctly, that might be kind of difficult to do with regular text. And so you can insert math stuff. Let's say I wanted to insert, I don't know, some fractional function or something like x over x plus 1. Instead of just typing it out this way, that can get hard to read. You can format any of these. I can type that same thing using the insert new math option. There's two ways to do it. If you have a standard keyboard, if you hit the back tick, the button next to your 1 on your standard keyboard, it'll bring up this red text box. If you type anything in there like you would on entering a WAMAP answer, it will show up. So if I enter that same thing here, that's going to show up once I move out of the box to format exactly like I would normally have it written out on my scratch paper or how it would show up in a WAMAP answer box. You can also get the same thing to show up if you don't have a backtick button on your keyboard or whatnot. You can add new math, this sigma plus symbol here, click on that and it'll bring up that same box. So you can insert mathematical text and things using either of those options and it'll format correctly and you can send that to your instructor. So now you know how to insert mathematical text inside of text boxes within WAMAP.